Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Colorado channel. Today, I'll be walking you through the operating procedure for our 360-degree seamless digital sock printer. First, we need to prepare some protective paper and affix double-sided tape to one side. You may prepare a large supply of these protective sheets in advance for future use. The craft paper we typically use is this shade of brown. It serves two primary functions. First, to prevent ink from seeping onto the rollers, and second, to reduce friction between the socks and the rollers, thereby facilitating easier removal of the socks. Our standard size is 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters. This paper is compatible with our various roller sizes, such as 70 millimeters and 80 millimeters. The frequency with which you need to replace this protective paper depends on your design. The darker the colors in the design, the more frequently it will need to be replaced. Conversely, the lighter the colors, the longer it can be used. So, how can we determine whether it is time to replace the paper? You can assess this from two angles. 1. If you find it difficult to remove the socks, it is time to replace the paper. 2. If, upon removing the socks, you observe ink adhering to the screw threads, the paper needs to be replaced. When applying the sticker, be careful not to pull it too taut nor too loose. It should be just right, allowing it to slide back and forth smoothly, much like mine does here. Finally, apply an extra strip of tape along the very top edge of the roller. This will make it much easier to retrieve the socks later on. This is our 4-station sock printer, the CO80-10 Pro. It features 4 rollers, so we need to apply protective paper to all 4 of them. Now that these preliminary preparations are complete, we will demonstrate how to import your finished designs into the printing software. First, we need to import the prepared patterns into our RIP software for color management. The RIP software we use is the genuine version of Neo Stampa. Next, we import the ripped files into our printing software. Within the software, we simply set the number of copies, and we are ready to print. Next, we place the sock to be printed onto the printing roller and smooth it out to prevent any bulging during the printing process, which could otherwise scratch the print head. We then adjust the laser positioning. Each time a sock is loaded, it must not extend beyond the laser beam, otherwise, this will result in unprinted white areas at the sock opening. Our laser positioning system can be freely adjusted to accommodate socks of varying lengths. Click Print, and the sock printer will proceed to print according to the quantity you have configured. Once printing is complete, remove the socks from the rollers. The protective paper does not need to be fully extracted and can be reused. Our printer features 2 operating modes. The first is the continuous print mode. Once the desired print quantity has been configured, a single click is all that is required. There is no need to manually trigger the print switch for each cycle. This mode is best utilized by experienced operators, as it significantly boosts production capacity. The second is the manual mode. This option is ideal for less experienced workers. It allows them to wait until they have properly positioned the sock on the printing mechanism before manually clicking to initiate the print job. We hang the printed socks on our dedicated drying racks. Once a full cartload has accumulated, we wheel it over to our oven for drying and color fixation. Depending on the design's color scheme, lighter shades require a drying time of approximately 3 minutes, whereas darker shades require a longer drying period. Alright, that wraps up everything in this video. If you are interested in sock printing or sock printers, please feel free to contact us at any time.